From Lindenwold High School, this is The Morning Roar with anchors Alexis Brown and Joshua Aqua. Meteorologist Shaquan Knight. And the 411 with Andre Branson.
Good morning, LHS. I'm Alexis Brown, and welcome to today's broadcast of The Morning Roar.
And I'm Andre Branson, and today is Monday, November 25th.
Students, tomorrow is dress-up day. You should dress to impress. You can be out of uniform. However, no sweatpants, pajama pants, or jeans with holes or rips are allowed. No bare mistress, muscle shirts, or tank tops are allowed. No clothing that displays any message with a sexual connotation, profanity, or advertising drugs, alcohol, or violence are allowed. No winter coats, hats, headbands, sweatbands, sunglasses, or head coverings are allowed. No flip-flop slippers or shoes that are insecure to your feet are allowed. See Mrs. Mom with any questions.
The STEP team second tryout will be after school at 2:30.
There will be an important stage crew meeting tomorrow. Every member must attend. We will meet in room C108.
The Leo Club will be collecting plastic bottle caps throughout the second school year. The bottle caps will be donated to Avita and help raise money to third world countries. You may give your bottle caps to the Leo Club members or to room E201. Thanks for your help.
There will be a very important AV Club meeting Monday, December 2nd after school.
Student Council is hosting a Thanksgiving food drive. We're seeking non-perishable foods. A complete list will be found outside of A110 and D106. Please turn in all items to Mr. Mediza in the nurse's office.
Leo Club will be selling lollipops and hair feathers during lunch periods over the next couple of weeks. All proceeds will be used to buy groceries to be donated to the Red Cross Club. See a Leo Club member during lunch for more information. Help give a hand. Our club will be meeting on Tuesday, the 26th, at the school at A110. Now is weather time. Let's go to our meteorologist.
I'm Shaquan Knight with today's forecast. Today we'll have mostly sunny skies with a high of 37 and a low of 29. And winds coming from the southwest at 10 miles per hour. Now let's take a look at our 5-day forecast. Tomorrow we'll have mostly cloudy day with the high of 45 and a low of 33. On Wednesday we'll have rain with the high of 42 and a low of 24. On Thursday we'll have a sunny day with the high of 37 and a low of 25. On Friday we'll have a sunny day with the high of 34 and a low of 25. We'll wrap up our 5-day forecast with Saturday. We'll have a partly cloudy day with a high of 39 and a low of 29. Now please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag
of the United States of America
and to the republic
for which it stands,
one nation under God,
indivisible with liberty and justice for all.
I'm Shaquan Knight with the 411. Attention, staff and students. Lindenwold School District proudly presents the Holiday Classic, Miracle on 34th Street, on December 5th, 6th, and 7th. Showtimes are Thursday, Friday, and Saturday evening at 7 p.m. and Saturday at 2 p.m. Tickets are on sale for, I believe, $6 for adults, $5. For students and senior citizens, we have students from all over 4 district schools in the show. Ring in the holiday season with us as we present the delightful play based on the famous movie about Santa Claus. This has been your 411. Now back to the news desk.
I'm Alexis Brown.
And I'm Andre Branson. You stay classy, Lindenwold.
Thank you for watching today's telecast of The Morning Roar. This show is produced by the students of LHS TV. Watch this and other shows at www.lhstv.com.